channel Vocab with Sanaya. First, greatness. Quality of being great, importance and fame. Yani महानता या महत्व. Example, the price of greatness is responsibility. Let's learn some new words with the help of synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms: potentiality, strength, intensity. Antonyms: inability, tininess, littleness. Now let's move to the second word, gratify. To give pleasure by satisfying desires. Yani प्रसन्न करना. Example, hopefully this chocolate bar will gratify my desires for something sweet. Let's learn some new words with the help of synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms: delight, pamper, requite. Antonyms: depress, frustrate, annoy. And in the last, if you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Bye!